Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a fifth year student at National Law University, Delhi. I gave my CLAT and AILET back in 2021 and back then my rank was 53, and after getting into NLU Delhi, I got the opportunity to be a mentor at the study anchor. Initially मैं study anchor से ही पढ़ा था and eventually getting a hand of law school, I got the opportunity to mentor a few students here. मैं इस वीडियो में आपको एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टिप देना चाहता हूं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू लीगल रीजनिंग। लीगल रीजनिंग में मोस्ट बच्चों का इंप्रेशन ये होता है कि हमें ये एक्ट्स पढ़ने पड़ेंगे, ये स्टैट्यूट्स पढ़ने पड़ेंगे, ये लीगल न्यूज याद रखनी पड़ेगी। हाउएवर दैट अप्रोच इज कंप्लीटली इनकरेक्ट। मगिंग अप ऑफ लीगल रीजनिंग इज द थिंग जो आप करने जाओगे दैट विल गिव यू मोर प्रॉब्लम्स दैन सॉल्यूशंस। इसके लिए इट इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ वेरी बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर, अ वेरी बेसिक आइडिया कि इस टॉपिक में किन चीज़ों के बारे में बात हुई है, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली आपको वो जो लीगल टेक्स्ट होता है जो आपको पेपर में दिया गया है उसको अच्छे से इंटरप्रेट करके उसको फैक्चुअल सिचुएशंस गिवन इन द क्वेश्चंस में अप्लाई करना आना चाहिए। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाला हूं विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ योर क्लैट एग्जाम, विच इज द मीडिएशन एक्ट ऑफ 2023। As you know, India में pendency of the cases are at an all-time high. The district court, the high court, the supreme courts are heavily burdened, and इस situation में the legislature is trying to carry out certain alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. Some of you might have heard of a mechanism called as arbitration. What happens in arbitration is two parties to the dispute mutually appoint a third party who acts as an adjudicator, and this adjudicator renders an award जो दोनों parties के ऊपर applicable होती है। Apart from arbitration, one mode of dispute resolution which is now heavily discussed and debated is that of the Mediation Act of 2023. अब mediation as a concept में क्या होता है कि two parties do not appoint an adjudicator, rather two parties के साथ एक रूम में there's a mediator or a facilitator who sits, and both the parties mutually find a solution to the problem at hand. The adjudicator is very different from a facilitator. Adjudicator क्या करता है? They act as a judge और something related to a judge, और जो वो award render करते हैं वो applicable होता है दोनों parties पे। However, facilitator का काम dispute को adjudicate करना बिल्कुल नहीं है, rather it is simply the facilitator navigates you through the mediation. वो आपको solutions propose करते हैं, they help you figure out a solution mutually. Mediation में ज़्यादा क्या होता है कि both the parties finally try to compromise. For example, थोड़ा सा compromise दूसरी पार्टी ने किया and the first party also compromises a bit ताकि एक solution reach कर पाए which is amicable to both the sides. This, as I've explained, is very different from arbitration. Some of the key features जो आपको याद रखने हैं with respect to the Mediation Act is, firstly, ये mediation सिर्फ और सिर्फ civil and commercial matters में ही apply होती है. Criminal matters cannot be adjudicated. For example, you cannot say that an insolvency proceeding or a tax matter can be resolved through mediation. That is not possible. Secondly, the process of mediation is completely voluntary and consent based, by which I mean both the parties, when they give the consent, it is only then such a mechanism can be adopted. Thirdly, as per the Mediation Act, there is a time bound process जिसमें ये पूरा होना चाहिए, which has been stipulated in order to ensure कि वो mediation doesn't go on for multiple months or multiple years, and therefore a specific time has been prescribed. Lastly, as you might know that India became a party to the Singapore Convention on Mediation, तो उसके सारे elements incorporate नहीं किए गए हैं. However, some of the elements have been lifted up from there, and especially India में an aspect of international mediation भी allowed है, wherein one party or both the parties have been a habitual resident of any country outside India. So that has also been recognized. These are the few main features that you should remember when we are discussing about the mediation bill, and it holds a very good possibility to come in your CLAT exam. Thank you and happy learning.